Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram following problem. To know how to fix Instagram following problem, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. Then when you will see this list, you will go down to first stop and you will click. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And here you can update your application. That you can know how to fix Instagram following problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.